Last summer, I bought a budget ceiling fan that turned my bedroom into a nightmare. The installation took hours, the motor sounded like a lawnmower, and the whole thing wobbled dangerously above my bed. Finding a quiet, reliable fan that actually moves air is surprisingly difficult. That is why I have personally tested dozens of models to save you the frustration. Today, I am counting down the top 5 Hampton Bay ceiling fans, and you will not believe the cooling power our #1 pick delivers. 5. Hampton Bay Sidlow. When I first pulled this fan out of the box, I was genuinely impressed by its modern aesthetic and the promise of a flush mount hugger design. This style is specifically engineered for rooms with lower ceilings where a standard down rod would hang far too low and create a safety hazard. I installed this unit in a standard 8-foot ceiling guest room to see how well it could circulate air in a confined space without making the room feel cramped. The installation process was marketed as incredibly simple, primarily due to the 5 quick-install reversible blades. While sliding the blades into place was indeed a breeze compared to older models that require endless screwing, the reality of the flush mount installation was much more frustrating. Because the motor housing sits flush against the ceiling, the wiring compartment is incredibly tight. I found myself struggling to tuck the wires away neatly, and if you have slightly older wiring in your home, getting everything to fit without pinching a cable is a test of patience. It took me much longer than anticipated just to secure the base plate because of this cramped design. Once I finally got it up and running, the performance was a bit of a mixed bag. On the positive side, the reversible blades offer a nice touch of customization, allowing you to choose between 2 different wood finishes to match your flooring or furniture. However, when I cranked the fan up to its highest setting, I immediately noticed a persistent, low-frequency hum from the motor. 4. Hampton Bay Fanelee. Right out of the gate, the appeal of this fan is its integration with the Hubspace ecosystem, allowing you to control everything from your smartphone or through voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. I set this up in a large, open-concept living room, excited to test out the smart features and see how a 54-inch blade span would handle cooling such a substantial area. The bronze finish gives it a beautiful, slightly rustic, yet transitional look that blends perfectly with modern farmhouse decor. The physical installation was fairly straightforward, but the real headache began when trying to establish the smart home connection. Getting the fan to pair with the Hubspace app took several attempts, a router reset, and a lot of waiting. I found that the Wi-Fi receiver inside the fan occasionally dropped the signal. There were multiple instances during my week of testing where I tried to turn the fan off via my phone, only to have the app tell me the device was offline, forcing me to rely on the included physical remote. It is incredibly frustrating when a product's main selling point ends up being its most unreliable feature. When it comes to actual air circulation, the Fanelee is surprisingly underwhelming for its size. You would reasonably expect a 54-inch fan to create a wind tunnel in your living room, but the blade pitch seems too shallow to move a significant volume of air. Even on the highest of its speed settings, the breeze felt gentle rather than powerful. 3. Hampton Bay Benning. This 52-inch downrod mount fan in matte black completely won me over with its striking, minimalist design. From the moment I began unboxing it, I could tell the build quality was a significant step up. The motor housing felt heavy and substantial, and the blades were thick and rigid. I decided to install this in my primary bedroom, hoping it would deliver the quiet power that the previous models lacked. And I was not disappointed. The installation process was flawless. The downrod mounting system gave me plenty of room to wire everything comfortably, and the instructions were incredibly clear. What truly impressed me, however, was the balance of the blades straight out of the box. Usually, I have to spend 20 minutes playing with balancing kits and tiny weights to stop a fan from wobbling on high speed. The Benning spun perfectly true on the very first try, anchoring itself silently to the ceiling. It is rare to find a fan in this price bracket that requires zero post-installation tinkering. Performance-wise, this fan is a powerhouse. The motor is exceptionally quiet, producing nothing more than the soothing sound of air being sliced by the blades. Unlike the Fanelee, the Benning utilizes a steeper blade pitch that aggressively scoops the air, creating a strong, consistent downdraft that immediately cools the room. I left it running on medium throughout the night, and it provided the perfect silent breeze for a great night's sleep. The included remote control is highly responsive, with no lag between pressing a button and the fan reacting. The adjustable white light LED is the cherry on top. It allows you to toggle seamlessly between warm 2700 Kelvin lighting for a cozy evening and crisp 5000 Kelvin daylight when you need to clean or get dressed. 2. Hampton Bay Morland. I wanted to push this fan to its limits, so I installed it on my covered back patio during a particularly humid and sticky week. Finished in a gorgeous matte black, this fan looks incredibly premium, featuring sleek, weather-resistant blades designed to withstand moisture. Having a fan that you can seamlessly transition from a living room to an outdoor entertainment space offers incredible value. What immediately stood out to me during testing was how well the smart features worked on this model compared to our number 4 pick. The hub space integration on the Morland was flawless. It connected to my Wi-Fi on the first attempt and never dropped the signal once during my testing period. Being able to sit on my patio furniture and simply tell Alexa to turn the fan to high without lifting a finger is a luxury I quickly got used to. The app interface was snappy, allowing me to set schedules so the fan would automatically turn on right as the afternoon sun hit the patio. When it comes to surviving the elements, the damp rating is entirely legitimate. Despite being exposed to dense morning fog and high ambient humidity, the blades showed zero signs of dropping, warping, or fading. More importantly, the airflow is massive. Outdoor spaces are notoriously difficult to cool because there are no walls to trap the air. But the Morland pushes a wide, powerful cone of air that effectively chased away mosquitoes and kept my guests incredibly comfortable. The integrated LED is bright enough to light up a late-night barbecue, but can be dimmed down for a relaxed evening vibe. Every component of this fan feels over-engineered in the best way possible. 1. Hampton Bay Mena. This 44-inch matte white indoor and outdoor fan might seem like an underdog due to its smaller blade span, but do not let its compact footprint fool you. I installed this fan in a medium-sized home office, expecting standard performance, but it completely blew me away. The modern seamless matte white finish allows it to visually disappear into a white ceiling, making your room feel taller and more spacious, while still offering a subtle, contemporary elegance. The engineering behind the Mena is nothing short of brilliant. While testing it, I found that it effortlessly outperformed fans that were 10 inches larger. The secret lies in the highly optimized aerodynamic twist of the blades, paired with a shockingly powerful motor. On the highest setting, it generates a massive column of air that instantly drops the perceived temperature of the room. Despite this incredible power, the motor is dead silent. I recorded audio in the room while it was running on high, and the only sound picked up by the microphone was the wind itself. Beyond its cooling prowess, the Mena is endlessly versatile. It is rated for both indoor and outdoor use, meaning you can put it in a damp bathroom, a humid sunroom, or outside on a porch without worrying about rust or degradation. The light kit features a shatter-resistant plastic shade rather than fragile glass, which is a massive relief during installation and cleaning. The LED is brilliantly bright and easily adjustable, flooding the space with perfectly diffused light that never causes glare on computer screens or televisions.